I'm so fucking sick and tired of the Photoshop. Show me something natural like Afro with your pride.
All right, so which one of you guys need to take a social media break? Either you.
Social media gives our brain those hits of dopamine that just can't keep us away. And then we just crave the constant feedback, but it also makes us feel shitty. Here's how to make social media just a little bit less of a toxic place. What you see is not always what you get.
Bodies that look like this also look like this.
Stop commenting on people's bodies. Nobody asked, nobody cares.
So often we are using filters, we are using certain angles, and we're often not showing the things that we don't want other people to see.
If you think that people can't filter a video, I don't know.
The designer clothes, knock off, or stolen, or returned to the store immediately after the post went live.
You do not have to take a picture of everything that you do in your life and with your friends.
Mush.
Your brain wants to absorb memories so that you can actually remember them. Try to experience your life, not just try to capture it in a photo.
And if you're watching this, get off the app. Turn your phone off for an hour. Go read a book. Go for a walk. It's beautiful outside.
Turn off notifications. They make us go into the apps so much more than we probably want to. Stop following accounts that make you feel worse.
Hashtag perfect. Hashtag perfect.
Congratulations.
In case you forgot to, go unfollow all the celebrities that you follow on your social media sites, even the Kardashians.
I'm going through my list. If I find out that we're not friends, I'm unfollowing you. Bye!
The IG algorithm doesn't know that the posts are making you feel bad. They only know that you're looking at them for a long time, and so they're just going to show you those posts even more.
So I was kind of like feeling myself for a couple of seconds there, and then I went on Instagram and saw what an actual conventionally attractive person looks like, and now I just think I'm a piece of garbage. She deserves nothing good in her life.
Most social media platforms these days have an ability to show you just how long you've been on the app each day.
Hey, just wanted to let you know that your screen time is up by 2 hours this week and you're wasting your life away.
When we're young, often we want to share almost everything on the internet.
There's two types of people in this world. People that have come to terms with privacy is just dead. Then there's the old people that are still trying to fight it.
But as we get older, we realize that there's some things that we wish that we kept private and that we know that we want to keep private now.
I lost myself to get likes from a bunch of people that I don't even like.
Don't let social media be your diary or be where you are expressing the most vulnerable parts of yourselves unless you know that you're ready to do so. The key here is balance. It's important for you to have internal validation and not just seek external validation through likes, comments, shares, or followers. You are worth so much more than that.